And our big story at this hour, the political storm that is brewing within the Assam Congress. A high-profile resignation, confusion over possible withdrawal, and hurried damage control. At the same time, a fierce BJP attack. The Assam Congress is in turmoil. Former state chief Bhupen Bora had resigned, dealing a big blow to the party's state unit and raising questions for the central leadership. Bora said he had sent his resignation to the High Command, insisting that the reasons are well known, called for introspection, within the party. He added that Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has not contacted him. In damage control mode, MP Gaurav Gogoi met with Bora, and at a joint briefing, Bora said he needs time and will take a final call by the day's end. Even before he spoke, a Congress leader claimed that his resignation had been withdrawn, deepening the confusion. Meanwhile, CM Himanta Biswa Sarma seized the moment, calling Bora the last Hindu leader in the Assam Congress and terming the resignation symbolic of the party's decline in the state. Sarma said that he is open to meeting Bora. Meanwhile, BJP MLA Biswajit Phukan added fuel to the fire, calling Congress a party of Mian and claiming Rakibul Hasan will soon lead it, sharpening the political pitch in Assam.
क्यों रिजाइन किया वो भी मैं अभी बोलना जरूरी नहीं समझा हूँ। वकील गोगोई जी भी मुझे बुलाया है जे आपके लिए हमारा दरवाजा खुला है। लुरिन गोगोई जी ने भी फ़ोन किया, सीएम ने मुझे फ़ोन नहीं किया, तो मैं सुना भी नहीं। मैं टीवी अभी तक देखने का आप लोग दिखाए हैं, मैं लीडरशिप का साथ बैठा हूँ, लेकिन मुझे लुरिन गोगोई जी, वकील गोगोई जी भी, सीपीएम का भी आया, कांग्रेस का प्रेसिडेंट, सीएलपी सब है, लेकिन ये बड़ा बात नहीं है। एक है मैं रिजाइन दिया है, मैं रेजिग्नेशन सबमिट किया है, क्यों किया है थोड़ा आप लोग को सबको मालूम भी है। मैं अभी पीसीसी प्रेसिडेंट को भी बुलाया जब माजुली का यात्रा में आपको कौन साथ में सही है। इतना भी स्ट्रेटेजी कांग्रेस पार्टी नहीं बना सकते है, तो पार्टी का फ्यूचर भी हमको देखना पड़ता है। सेंट्रल लिडारशिपे মোক ঘৰত আহিছে, গতিকে মই তেখেতসকলে এটা পৰামৰ্শ দিছে, মই অকণ সময় বিচাৰিছোঁ। মই আজি ৰাতি বা কালি ৰাতিপুৱা মই জিতেন্দ্ৰ সিং জি য'তেই থাকে মই সংবাদ মাধ্যমৰ আগত কৈছোঁ, মই লগ ধৰিম আৰু মই তেখেতক আমাৰ ঘৰৰ সিদ্ধান্তটো, কাৰণ মই এটা দলীয় হিচাপে অকল নহয়, মোৰ আৰু জানে আমাৰ সকলোৱে জানে মোৰ চিঠিখনত মই কি লিখিছোঁ কেতিয়াও ৰাজহুৱা কৰা নাই। মই গোটেই কথাখিনি মই আলোচনা কৰি মই নিশ্চয় এটা সিদ্ধান্ত দিম।
Bhupen Bora was the last Hindu leader in Assam Congress whose father or mother did not occupy the post of MLA or minister. His resignation carried a symbolic message that in Congress, no one from the normal family can prosper. He has accused Congress for appeasement politics, appeasing particularly a MP from Dhubri. He also alleged that Gaurav Gogoi could not clarify his position on Pakistan visit. As such, I welcome the resignation.
अभी कांग्रेस लास्ट चुनाव अब देख लीजिए 15-20 जितना चुनाव हुआ था असम में, हर चुनाव में वो लोग हार चुका था। अभी गौरव गोगोई प्रेसिडेंट है और उनका डायरेक्ट लिंक, उनका बीबी का डायरेक्ट लिंक पाकिस्तान से है। और आज का दिन में कांग्रेस पूरा मियाँ लोगों का दल है। आप कुछ दिन रुकिए, रकीबुल हुसैन ये पूरा कंट्रोल में लेगा वो, और असम में जो कांग्रेस होगा वो मियाँ का दल होगा। और असम में जो लोग स्वाभिमानी लोग होगा, जिसका स्वाभिमान रहेगा, वो लोग इमीडिएट कांग्रेस छोड़ के दूसरा कोई डिसीजन लेगा, ये मेरा विश्वास है।
So with the Assam elections coming in close, this confusion could very well cost the Congress a lot in the upcoming assembly elections. Gaurav Gogoi there with Bora for some sort of patch-up, trying to ensure that the issue does not go out of hand. But clearly, now the question still remains on what exactly is Bhupen Bora going to be doing. He said that he met with the central leadership. He said he'll take a decision by the end of the day. Rijay Das Kanungo joins me on this story from Assam. Rijay, what do we know really about what is happening, the impact, more importantly, it will have on the state Congress and the upcoming election? Rijay.
Bhupen Bora is not just a senior Congress leader, but he holds a very specific role in the party. And Bhupen Bora's resignation came as a very big setback for Congress in the recent time. Not just Bhupen Bora, there are other Congress MLAs who are also showing signs of aligning with the BJP. But Bhupen Bora, being the ex-APCC chairman, is a huge role, plays a huge role, and it's a very big setback for the Congress as well. But the recent joint press conference that was held half an hour back with Gaurav Gogoi and Jitendra Singh, where Jitendra Singh said that Bhupen Bora has withdrawn his resignation, but Bhupen Bora, on the other hand, contradict Jitendra Singh's statement, saying that he is still rethinking about withdrawing his resignation and he needs time. Meanwhile, interestingly, Himanta Biswa Sharma has earlier said that he will meet Bhupen Bora on 17th of February. And Bhupen Bora on the press conference has said that he needs time till tomorrow morning to come to a decision of whether he will withdraw his resignation or not. So whether he is looking forward to meeting the Chief Minister of Assam or not remains to be answered and remains uncertain at this point of time.
All right, thank you very much for that, Rijay. We'll keep a very close eye on what is happening in the Assam Congress.